celebrating Penny the Penguin's birthday. Mama Penguin has baked a big pink cake. Penny is so excited to puff out the candles on her big pink cake. Puff, 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 puff. But they are magic candles and keep lighting up again. Hello children, welcome to my channel Let's Learn with Monami. Hello Monami.
Hello teacher. Hello friends.
In this episode, we will be learning Phonics with Monami. But first, let us play the game of guessing the sounds. Are you ready children? Are you ready Monami? Yes. Okay, so let's start. Can you guess this sound?
It's a piano?
Yes, it is a piano. Now listen to this.
Water?
Pouring of water. Now this one.
Bird?
Parrot. Yes, you're right. Bird. Parrot.
Penguin!
Yes, penguin. Very good. Look who is here. Letter P. Letter P has bought a basket for us. Thank you, letter P. Let us see what is inside this basket. What is this, Monami?
Penguin!
Very good. Now next.
Pizza? Pizza?
Yes, yummy pizza. What about this?
Cake!
It's a pineapple cake. Now next.
Parrot!
Very good. Let us see what is going to be the next.
Peacock!
Well done, Monami. Penguin, pineapple cake, pizza, parrot, peacock. All these words start with the same sound. P. That is the sound of letter P. This is capital P or uppercase P or big P. And this is lowercase p or small p. Now Monami, can you repeat after me? Capital P or uppercase P or big P?
Capital P,
Uppercase P
uppercase P,
or big P. And this is
small p.
or lowercase p. The sound of letter P is P. It's like puffing the candle. P, P, P. Let us practice the P sound together. Let us say it loudly. P, 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 P. Now let us say it softly. P, 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 P. Now let us say it to each other. P, 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 P. Now say it to your friends. P, 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 P. Well done. Are you ready to play peekaboo with letter P?
Yes.
Are you ready, children? Yeah, Monami is so excited to play peekaboo with letter P. Let's play peekaboo.
Peekaboo is behind the pumpkin. Peekaboo is near the picture. It's on the pizza. Peekaboo on
Monami. You managed to find them all. Now get ready for activity time. Circle the letter P in the word cap. Pineapple. Yes, correct. 3 P's in pineapple. Piano. Pen. Well done. Now let us revise. Which letter is this?
Big P, small p.
Well done. Now what is the sound of letter P? P, P, P. Children, you all were amazing learners. Thank you so much for learning with Monami. In our next episode, we will be learning another letter. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and share the channel. Till then, bye.
Bye, friends.